Hello everyone. Today I seeded some broccoli, cauliflower, and some Pak Choi. And I just want to go over real quick how I did that as far as the varieties go. The broccoli, let's see if I have it in order here. I'll start with the cauliflower. I have two of the types of cauliflower here. Cauliflower, whatever, that's just how I pronounce it. These two varieties are actually more of like a novelty type. They're the purple and orange / yellow. One's a cheddar and the other one's called graffiti. They get like the more, I mean, they're edible of course, but they're more grown as a novelty. It's something that I shouldn't say novelty. It's something that's becoming newer over the years. Instead of your normal white cauliflower, which is what this is a variety called Minuteman. I've grown this for a few years now, not last year, but 2 years previous I did, and I didn't have any success for a number of reasons. One is the bugs ate them. That was pretty much the biggest reason, and also I got them in too late. If I can remember back, this is 2 years ago. This would have been summer of 2012. It was I think it was too warm in the spring. I'm trying to think exactly what the reasoning was, but I know they bolted and I didn't get really anything off of them. But anyway, trying some more of that this year. All right, now getting back to these two that I said about. One is called graffiti and the other one is cheddar, and that's the variety name. They're both hybrids, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, these were sent to me by one of my gardening friends in California, so I'm really excited to see this cauliflower grow. I've seen other stuff grow before, your normal white, but that's kind of boring, I guess, right? So I'm hoping I only have enough for 5 plants of each, so that'll still give me a good enough to grow, to see how it grows, and if it works out, I can always get seed for next year. So those are my cauliflower, these two and the Minuteman variety. I also have 2 varieties of broccoli. This variety here is just considered green sprouting, just your general broccoli. This is I think this is a 50 days after transplanting. Again, those numbers, the harvest dates, when you transplant things or direct seed it, they're a little iffy. Maybe I'll talk about that in another video. But anyway, this is just your normal green sprouting early broccoli. And this variety here, you can't really see it, is called Goliath. It gets big heads on it. It's around 70 to 80 days, so it's definitely a lot longer. So I'm still hoping that it'll grow well for me here, because our summers aren't incredibly hot. 80 days from say May 1st, you're going to be into July, and normally in other parts of the country and other parts of of the United States and even parts of Canada out west, it's too warm at that point. So we'll see what happens with this. But anyway, the last thing that I am growing is these are Pak Choi or Bok Choi. I'm not exactly sure the technical term. This one is actually called Canton Bok, Chinese cabbage, and I only seeded about, let's see how many, 15 cells. I have a 50 cell flat here that I'm using, and basically I have the varieties split up almost evenly, almost like a 15-15-15 type of thing. So these are really neat plants. I've eaten them, here and there. I'm not a huge fan of this type of stuff, but I have eaten it in like a stir fry, or you can put it in like a soup. But they get real nice. The picture here, I'm not sure if you can see that. It gets like these real tight stalks. Almost looks like a celery how it grows upright. I just think it's a neat plant, and looking forward to growing at the market. This may be a unique thing that no one else grows, just because of maybe the length or the process it goes, or how finicky it is, or the bugs love it. I don't really know. But anyway, we'll see what happens. But spring is on its way, and the next video will probably be about doing tomatoes. So stay tuned for that. I have high hopes for tomatoes this year. That's probably going to be one of my #1 crops that I want to get some serious production out of, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I have high hopes of some great success growing in the grow bags in the greenhouse. So anyway, I don't want to give too much away. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.